May 2020, when the world was struggling with COVID-19, Russian institute, that is the Gamaleya National Research Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology, they found a vaccine which they claimed that it does not have any side effects. And May 2021, we received the first lot of the same vaccine, which the world came to know with the name of Sputnik V. So what is this Sputnik V? Basically the name comes from the first satellite of the Soviet Union, that is the Sputnik V. Hello, this is Dr. Rajesh Mishra and you are watching Health Super Specialist. So with the introduction, you must have been known that today we are going to discuss about Sputnik V. So what is this Sputnik V? It is basically a vector-based vaccine, just like our Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. It is a vector-based vaccine in which they are using adenovirus, two serotypes, adenovirus 5 and adenovirus 26. So it's a Lamborghini with two engines. So why two engines? Why, when other vaccines are using single adenovirus, why is Sputnik using two adenovirus? Their claim is that with two adenovirus, they are able to overcome any previous immunity to adenovirus, and it also increases the immunogenicity of this vaccine. So increase the immunogenicity by how much? As per the reports published by the renowned journal, The Lancet, in February 2021, they claimed that this Sputnik V have got an efficacy of 91.6% efficacy rate. So initially there was a lot of hue and cry in one of the publication in November 2020 in The Lancet itself, that the data provided in the initial phase 1 and phase 2 trials were very limited, and those data were too good to be true, that this vaccine is so good. But after the phase 3 trials, even the Lancet have accepted that this vaccine has got a decent efficacy of 91.6% efficacy, which is far better than any other vaccine that is currently available in India. So this is about the efficacy. And why two engines in this Lamborghini? Now the first dose, it claims to induce a lot of humoral immunity. Humoral immunity means this B cell mediated immunity, the humoral immunity. And the second dose claims to be inducing the memory cell immunity. So it incorporates into the memory of cells that whenever you are exposed to the COVID-19 virus, it produces that immune response. And the mechanism of this vaccine is similar to the previous vaccines like Oxford's AstraZeneca, in which it teaches the immune system how to fight with the virus when actually exposed in such a scenario. So looks decent. And regarding the further evidence of this Sputnik V, what happened is, in the month of April 2021, there is an Argentina based study, the CONICET group study, which claims that this vaccine, after the first dose, it gives you almost 94% efficacy, very good efficacy. And after the second dose, it gives better than 94, more than 95% efficacy is there. A part of that, one more thing is that those people who have already been vaccinated, who already had an infection due to COVID, when they received the first dose of vaccination, they found that their antibody response is 5 times higher as compared to normal patients. Okay, so even the antibody response is better, the humoral immunity is coming, the memory T cells are being induced. So Sputnik V looks a very good vaccine, and with the amount of data they have published in the phase 3 trials, including around 20,000 patients, in which they found the efficacy to be around 91.6% efficacy. So fair and well efficacy, very good efficacy rather. And now that it is available in India, I strongly feel that this is the right time to have the vaccine. And really the shot is hot, and anybody who gets the chance to get the vaccine, they should get themselves vaccinated to protect themselves and to protect their family. Thank you very much.